Hey everybody, if you're looking up to turn on your keyboard light, in this video we are gonna provide you with some details for that. So let's just dive right in. So most of the keyboards use a function key with a backlight icon, often a glowing keyboard or a sun symbol to control it. So what you need to do is basically look out for your keyboard. So let's say this is a keyboard, I'm just using a picture for now. And within here you can turn on using some specific function key combinations. For example, we have Fn key here, this one right here. So what you need to do is basically press Fn plus F5. If not this, Fn plus F9. If not that, Fn plus F11 sometimes. And sometimes even Fn and spacebar. So you can just go and do so. It depends upon different devices, but usually these are some of the function keys you can use in order to turn on the backlight. You can press the combination repeatedly, usually cycles through different brightness level, off, low, high, etc. Apart from that, what you can do is you can just go over and use your software settings as well. So first, for that Windows plus X, you can type in and you can select the mobility center here. Hit enter. And if your device supports it, here you'll be finding option for keyboard brightness or keyboard lightning, something like that. You just need to look out for the brightness option and turn it on here. You'll be seeing a brightness tile here. You just need to turn it on and you can adjust the brightness here. Apart from that, many gaming or premium laptops come with dedicated software advanced lighting. You can just go and look out for those and do so. And those are usually the cases, so you can follow up to turn on the keyboard light. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.